Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10 and let me show you how to set up date and time on the following device. So at the very beginning, open list of all applications, then go to the settings. Here you should scroll down and select the general management. It's here. And now go to date and time, so it's the second tab. And here you can either have an automatic date and time or you can switch it off just by tapping on this switcher. And now you can set up time zone manually by yourself. So let me pick the region. For example, it can be Canada. Then you have to select the time zone. So for example, Regina. Let's go back and now set date also manually just by yourself and time. So you can change it to whichever you want to have. So for example, 5:30. And now you can also use either 24-hour format clock or you can switch it off to the standard one to just 12-hour format clock. If you would like to go back to the default settings, you can simply tap on those switchers and you will have automatic date and time and also 24-hour format clock. So actually that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.